Hey friends and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this file does not have an app associated with it for performing this action. Please install an app. In this video, seeing before like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Now follow the all steps one by one to fix this problem. Let's go ahead that first step, command prompt. So for that, go to the your Windows search bar, then type CMD. Right click on the command prompt. Choose the run as administrator and these comments are description provided this video description, so copy to paste and type ipconfig, give the space slash dns, just like, and hit the enter. Then next command type nets into ip reset, hit the enter. Then next command type nets winsec with the space reset, just like, and hit the enter. Finally exit. Then restart your system, again check it. If this type is still not working, then go to the next step. Next step, register editor. So for that, go to the Windows search bar and type register editor. And click on to open. Then go to the then H key classic root. Then this click on this arrow, expand and expand. Then scroll down, find ink files. So scroll down. Find and select the link file. This root, this bath file I have description provider. Then copy to use it now here. Then select and go to the this folder, then right click, just to delete. After that, go to that again here, come to below, click on the new and click on the string value, click to new value, change it. That name is shortcut only type. Here already is shortcut old is delete. After that, here change this is shortcut only type and that value here I saw that here no. So come to back, just only name change to create the one file. After that, your problem fix it. Then come to back. Then go to the start menu, click the power button and choose the restart button. Click here to restart your system. Once it restarted, then your problem fix it. These steps should be fixed of them. If you have any doubt, comment section go to comment. I give you the answer. If this method working or not working, comment section go to comment and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.